Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G5 is stuck on the BIOS screen and won't boot up, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty hard drive, a corrupt BIOS, or hardware conflicts. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to data loss or further hardware failure, so it's important to tackle this problem head-on. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a replacement hard drive if necessary, and some thermal paste if you need to reseat the CPU. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover. Be careful to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Gently pry open the back cover to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hard drive. It's typically positioned near the center of the laptop. If the hard drive is the issue, you'll need to carefully disconnect it from the motherboard. To do this, remove the screws securing the hard drive in place, and gently slide it out of its bay. If you're replacing it, simply reverse this process with your new hard drive. Additionally, check for any loose connections or cables that might be causing the problem. If you find any, carefully reconnect them, ensuring they are secure. If you suspect the BIOS may be corrupt, you might also need to reset it. This can usually be done by removing the CMOS battery for a few minutes, then reinserting it. Remember to handle all components with care to avoid static damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the hard drive or reseating any components, carefully reattach the back cover. Make sure it clicks into place and all screws are tightened securely. Once everything is back together, power on your laptop to see if it successfully boots past the BIOS screen. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure your laptop is regularly updated with the latest BIOS and drivers. Also, consider running periodic diagnostics to catch any potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.